Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is paint. Here are some words related to the base word. Paintball, paintbox, paintbrush, painted, painter, painters, painting, paintings, paints, paintwork, repaint, repainted, repaints. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The wall needs a fresh coat of paint. Playing paintball is a lot of fun. She opened the paint box and selected her favorite color. He dipped the paintbrush into the can of paint. The artist painted a beautiful landscape. The painter will finish the mural today. The painters are working to finish the job. She spent many hours working on the painting. They enjoy viewing paintings at museums. He mixes paints to create new colors. The paintwork on the car is scratched and chipped. We need to repaint the walls in the living room. The old bike looked brand new after it was repainted. She repaints her nails every week. Now let's review. Paint, paintball, paintbox, paintbrush, painted, painter, painters, painting, paintings, paints, paintwork, repaint, repainted, repaints. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.